Kajing eलाका semi-final jong kikhna eलाका jong ka under 17 girls kalalong menta ka singi ka apkhna tarik unai tung. Ha kajing eलाका semi-final ka baningkong ka Yorongap Secondary School kala pelim no ya ka Dapbok Langgiri Memorial School dalai gol lanot. Ha kajing khun jong ka semi-final ka baar ka Sati Raja Memorial Secondary School kala pelim no ya ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School la sigol lanot. Kajing eलाका final jong ka under 17 girls kanlong la sai ka singi ka lai pho tarik unai tung. Ha pedang ka Sati Raja Memorial Secondary School persya ya ka Yorongap Secondary School kabanlong hapo kamadan eलाका jong ka Sports Authority of India kabudan hapo phalau jong ka ni hu shilong.